Very good morning to one and all. Right. So coming to the pattern, both the teams are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
are you able to see my screens? Both the teams.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good. Good to hear. Right now we'll discuss with Selenium first program. Okay. Quick minute. Yeah. Please see here, ma. This is the Eclipse, right? Both the teams, please be concentrate. Open the Eclipse with workspace folder. Am I right? Please respond,
Yes,
ma.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Both the teams. Okay. You need to select your derived drive. Okay. Installation. Everyone finished. Is there having any doubts? Any one of you? Okay. It sounds good. Rest of the team, from your side, anyone is pending with installation? If you are pending with installation, okay, rest of the team, you need to clarify it. Those who finish, please send your name along with your contact number. Rest of the students
Yes,
will
sir.
follow now. Okay. So anyway, I need to convey you, please follow the workspace name here. These are the allocated workspace. What is your workspace? Depending on the workspace, you need to navigate the workspace name here. Am I right? Actually, we created the workspace. Okay. As per the workspace, you have to go map. Am I clear? So what's our workspace?
DST.
DST works.
We created workspace, right? And go to launch. Very first time only it will come with welcome phase. Rest of the second time onwards, directly Eclipse tool, Eclipse ID will open. Why we are selecting this workspace? Whatever the programs you write, it will save in this particular workspace. That is the main concept now. My dear students, this is the way of the first program I am going to write it. Once again, I will teach you. Don't worry about that particular, this particular class mark. Let's focus on it. I told you right. To create a project, what is the main concern you need to follow? Create a project, what is the main concern to follow? To create the project, what is the main content to follow? What is the main concept to follow? Come on, students, please respond. To create a project, what's the main content to follow? No. To create the project, what would be the first step? Hey guys, to create the project, okay, go to file.
File and new, sir.
Okay, very first time, after that, you can able to see here Java project. But my intention is to say that don't select this Java project. Rather, it's displayed here. You have to go with others. Make it as a Java project and click on next. And you can able to write, okay, your project name. ATMs and make it as 1.8 and finish. Okay, project it will create. After that, you need to click on small icon. Okay, in SRC, you need to create package. Go to new and package. What's the package name? Programs. Okay, finish. This is the hierarchy you need to follow. Am I clear? Both the teams. Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Okay. Now, one project is enough, ma. Whatever the project I created here, you can make sure that project name. Banking student project. And after that, I clicked on small icon. See here. Right clicked on it. Go to new package I created. What's my package name? Classroom programs. In this particular classroom programs, I am going to create class. Right click on the package. Go to new, create class. Write it down, my dear students. Go to package, go to new, go to class. Here, if you go with hierarchy, banking student project under SRC folder, banking student project under SRC folder, under package name. Here you are going to write with, okay, going to write with class, Gmail, G capital letter. Class starts with capital letter Gmail. Gmail. Public static void main. Finish. Am I clear, guys? Everyone.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
Please try to concentrate, Mark. Okay. I want to tell you from starting onwards. Please try to concentrate. Every student. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go to file. Go to new. You need to work with Java project. Go to file, new Java project. Okay. For the Java project, go to others, create Java project. Okay. Here project name ATM. Okay. BANKS packs. Make it as Java 1.8. You can select it and click on finish. Java project created successfully. Am I right? After that, you need to click on small icon. In SRC is the source code. You have to write separate suitcases, okay, separate packages for source code for easy to recollection. Go to new, click on package. Here, package you are going to specify class programs. Okay, class programs. Under the class programs, you have to go with right click, go to new, okay, in the particular suitcase folder, package folder, right click on it, go to new and click on. Come on, my dear students, click on
Class.
class. What's the class name, my dear students?
Gmail. Gmail.
Very good. G. Class name starts with capital letter. Gmail. Okay. And public static void mail. You need to check it out. See here. Gmail is the class hierarchy. ATM banks, SRC, class programs package. Under that, you are going to create Gmail. G should be capital letter. And public static void mail. You need to check it. By default, check inheritance concept. Click on finish. Automatically class hierarchy it will create. Both the teams. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, my dear students, please concentrate. Public class Gmail. This is the class name. This is open parenthesis. This is closed parenthesis. Okay, in between main method is there. Gmail is the human body. Human body consists of heart. Heart is nothing but public static void main method. Okay, assume it. Gmail is the car. Okay, public static void main is the engine. If you want to move a car, engine should work perfectly, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
same
Yes, sir.
way for Gmail, what is the heart of the program? Main method. Am I
Main
clear,
method.
my dear students? So
Yes, sir.
public static void main string arguments ARG. And after that, this is called green color line comment lines. You need to delete this comment line. Okay, it's not an issue, my dear students. Try to do like this. Am I clear?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Up to here programming skill mark. Later then we can go with this. Just I will tell you a small story. Just listen. need to introduce, okay, oops concepts here. Just try to concentrate, my dear students. Along with that, I will let you know with a small story of standards of Java. Hey guys, are you able to see it right?
Yes, sir.
Class. What is class? A class can be defined as a template or blueprint that describes the state and behavior of objects. A class is nothing but we are going to explain state and behavior of objects. What are objects? Objects have state and behavior. Assume it, guys. Your computer, your mouse, including your house, including your pets, everything is an object. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So,
Some objects has state and behavior. If you click on, I mean, if you hit the particular mouse to ground, it will retrieve back and give the response. No, it will broke ma. The same way, if I beat some other one, okay, definitely they will respond. Am I clear? So every object has some state and behavior, including your mouse, table, your house, doesn't have any object specific. I mean, object is there, but living objects, non-living objects. So my intention is to say that a class can be defined as template or blueprint that describe the state and behavior of objects. A class always states with state and behavior of objects. A object is nothing but instance of a class. Every object has state and behavior. That objects are placed in class. Assume it, your gold chain, your gold rings, okay, your clothes, including of your computer, everything is placed on depending on the priority levels in the storage area. Am I right? Gold, you can't keep in refrigerator. Am I right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So every object has some limited priority. Depending on the limited priority, you are going to segregate it in different packages. If it is a gold, I will store it in Birva. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So every object has state and behavior. Assume it. Here, dog is the class. If I want to explain about dog, I need to explain about state and behaviors. A class is nothing but a blueprint that describes the state and behavior of objects. Objects are nothing but instance of a class. So a class can be defined as a blueprint. I am going to explain about state and behaviors. What are the states, ma? See here. Name of the dog, color of the dog, height of the dog, length of the dog, weight of the dog. These are the states. తెల్లగా ఉంది, నల్లగా ఉంది, పొట్టిగా ఉంది, ఎర్రగా ఉంది, something something. Okay, these are the behaviors. What are the behaviors? కుక్క బాగా అరవగలదు, బాగా కరవగలదు, బాగా పరిగెట్టగలదు. So my intention is to say that a dog has some features like behaviors. They can they can shake the tail. That is one feature. They can bite very well. They can run very well. Like that, we are going to explain about state and behavior of each and every object. That is nothing but a class. Objects are nothing but an instance of a class. Objects are placed in Verma class. If you want to talk anything in Java, everything is placed on object only. If you are calling about object, definitely that particular object is placed in Verma one class. Java is an object-oriented programming language. My dear students, trust me, Java is an object-oriented programming language. If you want to write any program in Java, everything you should be treated in object. Everything you are going to treat it in object. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Am I clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Java is an object-oriented programming language. What are POP languages? C and C languages are POP languages. They, they are procedural-oriented programming language. But object-oriented programming language, you need to create for every object. If you created every object, then it's easy to recollect and reusable everywhere. So I will let you know, guys, the same way, just focus on it. A class is nothing but a template or blueprint that describes the state and behavior of objects. Objects have state and behavior. Objects have state and behavior. Okay. Class is nothing but a collection of objects. Objects are nothing but instance of a class. Objects are placed in class. A class contains objects. That is the single meaning you need to remember, guys. And today you are going to learn about how to create object. Okay, see here. My name is Swami Kumar. Swami Kumar. Okay, Swami Kumar SK equal to new Swami Kumar. This is the creation of object. If I want to create any name for object, you need to create like this. Swami Kumar SK equal to Swami Kumar. Abdul Kalam AB equal to new Abdul Kalam. Okay. Pavan Kalyan PK equal to new Pavan Kalyan. Okay. The same way you need to go with Swami Vivekananda SV equal to new Swami Vivekananda. Ritish R equal to new Ritish. Akil Biram AB equal to new Akil Biram. Like that, you need to create the object for your name, ma. At least any two of the students from one team and any two of the students from another team. Please respond, ma.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Nitish, sir.
Nitish, already it's created by me, right? Please drop it. Rest of the student from Skype team, create the object for your name. Very good. Sudha Pavani, create the object for your name. Very good. Very good. Very good. Ma, rest of the team, please respond, ma. Any two of the members. Create the object for your name. Come on. I want to listen your voice here. Take the initiative. Otherwise, I will move.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Come on. What's your name?
Malati, sir.
Yeah, Malati, please go ahead.
Malati Vajarapu.
Yeah.
MB equal to new Malati Vajarapu.
That's it. The same way you need to create the object, ma. My dear students, please make this sentence. Okay. In real time, Selenium is the word, right? Selenium is the nickname, but practical name, certificate name is WebDriver. Okay. Selenium is the nickname. SELENIUM. Selenium is equal to new Selenium. This is the nickname, but practically we need to call it as Selenium in certificate name WebDriver. WebDriver driver equal to new WebDriver. Am I clear? Hey guys, Selenium
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to new Selenium. This is the nickname. For Selenium, you need to call it in certificate name as WebDriver. When you are writing Selenium programs, you need to call it as Selenium as WebDriver. WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. Write it down this sentence, my dear students, in your notes. After that, you have to maintain like this. Okay, and you need to separate, okay, each and every line like this. Whatever the things I'm going to highlight here, my dear students, you need to highlight these words like this. Okay, see here, write it down. Okay, with the arrow mark you need to write it. Okay, first highlight those words, and after that you need to write like this. WebDriver is the object. WebDriver is the object. Okay. Driver is the reference object. And WebDriver is the object along with. Okay. This is called, new button is called keyword. Okay. My dear students, please focus on it. This is called, okay, this is called object. Object. Okay, this is called reference object. Ref object. Object. Okay, this is called new, is called keyword. Keyword. Okay, this is called again object. Please respond ma both the teams. WebDriver is the object, driver is the reference object, new is the keyword, and again WebDriver is the object.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? In Java, you need to create object like this. Am I clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, what is this meaning, ma? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everywhere, it's not possible to write whole statement. So that's why what we are doing, ma, we are creating object. WebDriver, driver equal to new object. WebDriver, driver equal to new object. That means the whole statement you are placed in where, ma?
Within the object.
Very good, very good. That's it's perfect. Where you are going to keep it, ma? Here, here. You are keeping the whole statement in where, ma? If you call driver, automatically the whole statement it will respond. No need to call WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. Swami Vivekananda, SV equal to new Swami Vivekananda. Every time don't call like this. SV, SV, SV. If you call SV means what is the main thing? Everything it will come. If you go with your Aadhaar card number, every details it will come right. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a unique identification number. The same way, WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. For proof certification, Aadhaar card is enough. It will get everything. The same way, WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. You need to remember today onwards, reference object. తెలుగులో ఒక పదం ఉందండి, అసలు కన్నా వడ్డీ ముద్దు అని. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటండి? మీ పేరెంట్స్కి మీరు పెద్దవాళ్ళు అయ్యి పెళ్ళిళ్ళు చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మీకన్నా ఎవరంటే ఇష్టం అవుతుంది? మీ పిల్లలు. ఆమె క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
అసలు కన్నా వడ్డీ ముద్దు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మీనింగ్?
Reference object.
ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ రైట్? మీ ఫాదర్కి పేరు ఉందనుకోండి, ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీరు రోడ్డు మీద వెళ్తుంటే కూడా ఆ పేరు క్యారీ అవుతుందండి, పలానా వారు అబ్బాయి అని. ఆమె క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్. ఇప్పుడు సీఎం కేసీఆర్ గారు ఒక లెటర్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఆ లెటర్ నేను ఎక్కడైనా సబ్మిట్ చేశాను అనుకోండి, కేసీఆరే రావక్కర్లా, ఆ లెటర్ పనిచేస్తుంది. అంటే రిఫరెన్స్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంత దమ్ముందని అర్థం. ఆమె క్లియర్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సే?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reference object has that power to empower everything. Am I clear? So WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. My dear students, trust me, these statement you are going to write throughout of the Selenium programs. WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. Here, what is the main thing? Reference object, driver. With the help of the driver, you are navigating throughout of the Selenium programs. Let me give you an example. 1 to 100 numbers are there, ma. Okay. If I want to use these 1 to 100 numbers in Java, if I want to call 99 number, 88 number, 66 number, 36 number, what I will do? 36, 36 equal to new 36. I need to create object. If I want to 99, 99, n equal to new 99. Okay, 44, 44, f equal to new 44. Like that, I need to create object. It's difficult, right? For every object, if you create an object, reference object means it's really difficult, right? Am I clear, my dear students?
Sure.
For
Yes, sir.
every number, if you create an object, there are multiple object creations it will there. Instead of doing that, what I will do, ma? 1 to 100 members, I placed in 1 to 100 numbers, I placed in table, table, table underscore numbers. Okay, this folder. Where I placed it, ma? Table underscore numbers. 1 to 100 numbers I placed in where, ma? Instead of
Tables.
separately. Tables, numbers. Now I need to create the object. Tables underscore numbers. Okay. TN equal to. Come on, my dear students, what I need to write?
New.
New.
New
New. Then
space table numbers.
Table
Table
name.
numbers.
I need to create object for table numbers. Tn equal to new table numbers. If I want to call 99, my dear student, what I will do? Tn
TL.
Tn dot Tn dot 99. It will come. Tn dot 36. It will come. Tn dot 100. It will come. Are you understood what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Java is an object-oriented programming language. For everything, you are not able to create object, right? So, 1 to 100 numbers, you created the table name. With the table name, okay, table name, Tn equal to new table name. 1 to 100 numbers are placed in where, ma? 1 to 100 numbers are placed in
TN.
where, ma? Tn.
TL.
TN.
But you can call like this with the reference of reference object. Are you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
This is the fundamental of single line. Driver equal to new WebDriver. This is the fundamental standard, ma. I told you, right? I will tell you a small story. Okay, let's focus on my story. Okay. My dear students, please concentrate on it. Gmail. I told you. My dear students, Gmail. Gmail is the class. Are you accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
Gmail consists of, okay, three childrens. One is open URL. Okay, this is first kid. Okay, another one is second kid is register. Third kid is login. Fourth kid is assume log out. Okay. Let's convert my meaning into practical point of view. Gmail is the class. Okay. Under that class, open URL, register, login, logout. These are nothing but methods. Methods are nothing but objects. I told you, right? Example. Dog. Dog is the class. The same way Gmail is the class. Am I clear?
Sir.
Properties and states are nothing but objects. The same way open URL, register, login, logout. These are nothing but objects. Gmail is the class. From open URL to logout, these are nothing but methods.
Object.
Yeah, objects. So as per the technical meaning, standards meaning, class and objects. Gmail is the class. Open URL, login, logout, register, everything is an object. Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
But technically written point of view, today onwards you need to call the objects as methods. What's the terminology you need to use? A class consists of objects. Objects are nothing but
Method.
methods. My dear students, today onwards you need to remember Gmail is the class. Gmail class consists of 4
Methods.
methods. Amma, only one student is responding. Rest of the students, what you are doing? Open your mouth, then only it will come. It's the programming language. Gmail is the class. A class consists of 4 methods. Ramasuni, Ritesh, please be silent. Don't talk more. You already went for rest of the programs. I want new persons to speak it out. Gmail is the class. Rest of the Gmail consists of 4. What are those, ma?
Methods.
Very good. Okay, these are nothing but methods. Am I clear? Methods
Yes, sir.
are nothing but
Object.
very good. But technical point of view, you need to say that a class consists of methods. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Let's understand. Gmail, G equal to new Gmail. Am I correct? I created the object. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Gmail is the class, right? Gmail, G equal to new Gmail. Am I clear? If I want to call open URL, how I can call G dot open URL? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If I want to call logout, how I can call G dot?
Huh.
Are you guys understood what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's focus on my a small pettakada. Okay, just go with. Java is an object oriented. I told you clearly. Gmail G equal to new Gmail. Okay, and it consists of 4 methods. If you want to carry and write the programs for particular login, just focus on it. You want to write a code, right? If you want to write a code, you need to insert reference object here. So that is nothing but a technical point of view. I told you. Okay, for Gmail, you need to create an object creation. That object creation is placed with what's the Selenium officially we need to call it as? How Selenium we need to call it officially? Yeah,
WebDriver.
here.
Selenium.
In between two Gmail class, okay, after that methods you need to create officially, you need to call Selenium word technical web driver driver equal to
New web.
web driver. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
You need to call Selenium official word. Web driver equal to new web driver. Gmail is the class. These are the 4 methods. In between, you need to call web driver equal to new web driver. Are you understood, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just leave this terminology. I told you, Gmail is the parent. Gmail parent consists of how many children?
4.
4.
Okay, I brought one biryani packet, ma. I brought one biryani packet. Okay, just see here. I no need to call my first kid, please eat this biryani. I don't say like that. What I need to say? I need to treat my all 4 kids as same. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So This biryani, I need to give it to all my kids as same priority equal basis. I need to place this biryani packet in where ma? At dining table. Okay. Every kid, okay, first kid placed from first room, second kid placed in second room, third kid placed in third room, fourth kid placed in fourth room. Okay. From first room to fourth room, everyone should access to dining table. Am I clear? Equal priority of biryani packet to every kid. So this biryani packet is nothing but this WebDriver. Am I clear? I need to
Yes, sir.
place this object, reference object outside of the methods inside of the class. Are you guys understood? This biryani packet of WebDriver driver equal to new WebDriver. This biryani packet is equal to every four kid. I mean every kid. Am I clear?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on. Now, if you want to do the action, what are the actions for this particular open URL? You need to open the URL, right? Come on, my dear students, you need to open the URL, right, to access the Gmail. So you need to call the reference object name. See here, driver equal to new. Okay, new Chrome driver. What is this meaning, my dear students? Are you understood? Driver with the reference object you are going to create. Driver, see here, driver equal to new WebDriver. This statement from today onwards, I am going to split it in how many ways, ma? WebDriver, driver, single word. I place it here. And after that, I need to carry the second word to here. Are you understood? Today onwards, I need to split these words into a single word. WebDriver, driver. If you want to carry, okay, if you want to place this biryani packet, every kid should carry the biryani packet, ma. Okay, take their plate and have some, I mean, place some biryani to their plate and come to the room. So driver equal to new Chrome driver. WebDriver, driver, WebDriver, driver equal to new WebDriver. What is the meaning of web? Hey, what is
Chrome.
the meaning of
Chrome.
web?
No.
Chrome, sir.
Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Today onwards, if you want to place this biryani packet to every kid, you need to place this WebDriver in where, ma? Public. 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 Public is nothing but every kid should access. That kid access is nothing but public, accessible to everyone. So you need to create today onwards public WebDriver driver. Every student, please respond to my question. Public WebDriver driver. Come on.
Public
Public
driver.
WebDriver driver.
Public WebDriver.
Driver.
Driver.
Repeat it whole sentence. Public.
Public
Public WebDriver driver.
driver.
Public.
Driver.
Public
WebDriver
Driver.
driver.
Am I clear?
Yes,
If you
sir.
want
Yes,
to
sir.
carry with every object, you need to place this biryani of WebDriver. Okay, driver you need to call. Driver equal to new WebDriver only. What is the meaning of web?
Chrome.
Chrome.
My dear students, from today onwards, you need to remember public WebDriver driver. Open URL. Driver equal to new Chrome driver. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir.
you need to call every object with their reference object. Driver dot get URL. What's the URL name? http:// gmail.com. That's it. It will open. If you want to call, okay, first name, okay. See here, from today onwards, you need to call Verma. If you want to access first name, last name, email, okay, phone number, whatever the field it may be, okay, OTP, okay. If you want to interact with first name, what the thing? Come on, guys. You need to fill this particular fields. What is the action? You need to call which one?
Driver.
Driver.
Driver is nothing but reference object. Come on, my dear students. Web driver is the object. Driver is the reference object. From today onwards, no need to write public web driver, driver equal to new web driver. No need to write that sentence. You need to create. Open URL is the concept, right? So you need to split public web driver, driver. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను అంటే వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ అనేది ఓపెన్ యూఆర్ఎల్ వాడిని కూడా నువ్వు సపరేట్ గానే చూడు. సో web driver with this reference object you need to create driver equal to new web driver. Have you guys understood what I'm going to say? You need to carry driver is the reference object. So from today onwards, driver dot find element, okay, in bracket you need to go with by dot locator value id. In that particular id, what you need to go? Double quotes, locator value, dot send keys. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
That's a simple thing, right? That's it. If I want to go with last name, what I go with?
Driver.
The same way. Driver. Without using of driver, you can't move inch. You can't move inch. If driver is there means what is the thing? The whole statement of web driver, driver equal to new web driver. Every statement is there with driver. Are you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the team, if you want to interact with login, log out, how many methods you write here, every method is interacted with this driver. Are you accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the just rough notes I maintain. Shall I go with practical notes?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear, my dear students?
sir.
How
Yes,
we
sir.
need to use practical notes? Shall I repeat my wording in practical order?
Okay, sir.
Just focus on it. Rough notes already we practiced. For classmate notes, we are going to practice here. Please focus on it. Okay. What I told you, try to insert this particular main method to down. Okay, my dear students, create the program structure. What you need to create? Public class Gmail. In class, you need to create. What do you think, Mark? What you create? What you need to create? No, first of all, you need to create the structure. What's the structure? Open URL, register, login, logout. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I write my code?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in class, what you need to create? Class consists of
Number of objects.
terminology చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Class consists, నేను Gmail
Methods,
consists
sir.
of అంటలా. Class consists of
Methods, sir.
objects. Objects are nothing but
Methods.
a class
Methods.
consists of practical knowledge point of view. A class consists of
Objects.
Number of
Objects.
that's what I'm saying you here. A class consists of objects. That is the theoretical meaning. Now we came to practical. A class consists of what the terminology
Methods.
we need to use.
Methods.
A class consists of
Methods.
very good. That's the thing. A class consists of
Methods.
Methods.
what's the
Methods
method
and
name?
variables.
Yeah. అంత లాజిక్ వద్దండి. నేను వేరియబుల్స్ చెప్పానా?
No, sir.
ఓకే, మన స్టూడెంట్స్ కొంచెమే ఉన్నారండి. మీరు వేరియబుల్స్ అనే కొత్త పదాలని వద్దు, నేను చెప్పినట్టు నేర్చుకోండి. నాకు 2 రోజులు టైం ఇవ్వండి, మీ వేరియబుల్స్ కూడా చెప్తాను. దోస్ హూ టోల్డ్ వేరియబుల్స్, వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్?
Prashant Kumar, sir.
Very good, ma. Prashant Kumar, you had good knowledge. Just give me a couple of minutes. I will let you know about variables. మళ్ళీ వేరియబుల్స్ తీసుకొచ్చావంటే నేను వేరియబుల్స్ చెప్పాలి. చిన్నగా వెళ్దాం, ఫస్ట్ ఆ నేర్చుకుందాం, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, ఏ క్లాస్ కన్సిస్ట్స్ ఆఫ్
Methods.
మెథడ్స్.
క్రియేట్ మెథడ్ మా.
Yes, sir.
Right, how you need to create? Public void. Okay, method name, it should be a small letter. Okay, open URL. అండ్ మెథడ్ 2 చెవులు పెట్టాలండి, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. మెథడ్కి ఎప్పుడు 2 చెవులు పెట్టాలి. మీసాల బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్, ఎంటర్ కొట్టి మీసాల బ్రాకెట్ క్లోజ్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఓపెన్ parenthesis, closed parenthesis. How you need to create method ma? Public void open URL. This is the method. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
This is called open parenthesis, closed parenthesis. And after that, you need to come to down with 2 steps. You need to create another method. What is the structure ma? Open URL after, what's the method you are going to target for today class?
Register.
Register, sir.
Register,
How
sir.
you need to write the register? Public void
రిజిస్టర్.
Register.
register 2 చెవులు. చెవులు is nothing but 2 brackets along with open parenthesis. Click on enter, it will come enter. What's the third method you need to create?
Login.
Login.
Some
Login.
students are creating inner the method ma. Those are crazy students. Here only they are going to create public void logout. Within the method they are going to create another method. It will work.
No, sir.
You need to be extra cautious where you are, what you are doing. Under the method you need to create public void log
ఇన్.
2 steps, that is nothing but 2 years, 2 brackets. Okay, like that you need to go 2 brackets ఇవ్వండి. Okay, and after that what's the 4th method?
Logout, sir.
చెప్పండి,
లాగౌట్.
చెప్పండి ఎలా రాయాలి?
వాయిడ్.
Public
Public void.
Wait,
Logout.
PUB public void.
లాగిన్.
Logout log.
Very good ma, very good my dear friends.
Okay.
Open parenthesis and closed parenthesis.
పారెంథసిస్.
Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Very simple ma. అర్థం చేసుకునే శక్తి మీ దగ్గర ఉండాలి, కానీ అణువులోని జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ పుట్టించవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఇదిగోండి, ఇక్కడ జీమెయిల్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. అండర్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండ్ నెంబర్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద జీమెయిల్ రైట్. ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే పెద్దది అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే చిన్నది అవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ హిట్స్ హియర్, డబల్ క్లిక్స్, ఇట్ విల్ గో విత్ enlarge. If you double hit here, it will come with normal structure. So my dear students, while you are programming, you need to double hit here. Automatically it will come with a clear structure. Are you understood? దూకే ముందే లోతు తెలుసుకో. నువ్వు ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందే you need to understand the target. Open URL, register, login, logout. All this particular, a class consists of objects. Objects are nothing but
Methods.
Gmail is the class. For Gmail, open URL to logout, these all are called as
Methods.
very good. A class consists of Gmail is the class. A class consists of
మెథడ్స్.
Methods.
okay, these all methods. If you want to interact with, then main method. After that, as story separate. Okay, my dear students, biryani packet concept. What is the biryani packet concept? You need to call Selenium. Selenium official name is,
Web driver.
where you need to call
Driver.
Yeah.
Driver.
After the class, wait ma. After the class, outside of the methods. Very first action you need to do after the class, outside of all the methods. Outside of all the methods, in between of classes and methods. In between of classes and methods, you need to take the space here and utilize the statement. Selenium officially known as
Web
public
driver.
Web driver.
web driver. Okay, from today onwards, my dear students, don't write the web driver fully. What you need to do? Web
Public web driver.
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 Web driver. You need to give the space like this. Okay, you need to give the space like this. It is coming, anyone? Anything is coming? Nothing is there, right?
Sir.
Okay, today onwards, you need to implement the programming with some standardized order. Okay, write it down, my dear students. What the thing you need to work it. See here. What you need to write actually, public web driver. Driver is the statement you need to write. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But see here, web driver, what you need to do, you need to import it. You need to import. This web driver is not belongs to Eclipse tool. This web driver is nothing but Selenium. You need to import that single statement of Selenium file to the Eclipse tool. Then only Selenium commands it will come. Selenium is nothing but web driver only, right? If you want to interact with web driver, you need to install Selenium jar file, right?
Yes,
Go
sir.
to my first class. Where is your workspace? Where is your workspace? Come on. Where I kept ma?
Created
DSDB.
folder.
This is the workspace, right? This workspace,
Yes,
now
sir.
you created ATM projects, ATM banks. Okay, delete the other projects. Ma. It will confuse for you. So that's why I'm deleting the other projects. This is your project, right? ATM bank. Okay. Now, my dear students, up to now we installed. What the thing? Only one thing is left. In WebDriver workspace, Eclipse, JDK, you downloaded everything. But jar file, Selenium server standalone jar file. Have you remember?
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, have you remember Selenium server standalone jar file? Hey guys, have you remember Selenium server standalone jar file?
Yes, sir.
You need to install here. Can I install?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. In JRE system libraries, go to JRE system libraries, right click on it, go to build path, configure build path. Write it down, my dear students. JRE system libraries, right click on it, build path. Second one, configure build path. If you click on configure build path, it will come like this. Second option, add external jars. You have to click on it. Here you need to go with Selenium server standalone jar file. Are you understood? When you downloaded this particular file, right? When you added this file to Eclipse tool only, Selenium commands it will come. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sudha Pavani, are you understood? So select that particular thing, click on open. Okay, automatically just observe what the new thing it came here. You need to say, click on apply, apply and close. Sudha Pavani, what you observed here? What is the new thing it came here? Yeah, in the references libraries, what is this reference? CMKCF Selenium reference చేశారు Eclipse tool. అదిగోండి వచ్చిందా? Like that.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Selenium server standalone jar file. Am I clear? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can type it. Now you can type it, my dear students. Today onwards, WebDriver, you need to call it as. Don't type each and every word. WEB web B. Use control button, space button. ఆల్ట్ కి నిలువుగా ఒక బద్ద ఉంటుందండి, మైనస్ సింబల్. దాన్ని స్పేస్ బటన్ అంటారు. ఆ స్పేస్ బటన్ ని మీరు ఎలా కొట్టాలండి? వెబ్ కంట్రోల్ బటన్ ని హోల్డ్ చేసి ఆ స్పేస్ బటన్ ని అలా కొడితే ఇలా వస్తుందండి. ఇక్కడ మీరు డ్రైవర్ అని రాస్తే అదిగోండి. వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఇన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ, వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్లాస్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్? యూ నీడ్ టు సే దట్ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఈజ్ ఎన్
Object interface.
ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ క్లాస్. వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఈజ్ ఎన్
Object.
interface.
ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఓకే, ఐ సింబల్. సో ఈ రోజు నుంచి మీరు వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ని రా అంటే రాదది. ఏం చేయాలి? యూ నీడ్ టు కాల్ ద వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ WEB వెబ్ DRI స్పేస్. అలా అంటేనే వస్తుంది. ఐ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ అదిగోండి, ఇలా వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చినంటే దానికి తోకౌట్ వస్తుంది. దీన్నే ఇంపోర్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటారు. వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు సే దట్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ every object it will come with import statements. Every import statement it's not possible to write it right. So that's why ఎక్కడ ఎలా వాడాలి అనేది తెలుసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మీకు ఇంపోర్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి వాటికి అదే క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటుందండి. ఇప్పుడు మిత్రమా, యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ. వెబ్ డ్రైవర్, ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్ మా, మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ నోట్. Public web driver, like that you need to click it. Web driver, you need to write it driver. Got it? Every end of the every statement in English we are going to stop it with full stop right, end it with full stop right. అలాగే సెలీనియం స్టేట్మెంట్స్ లో ఎవరి స్టేట్మెంట్ ని ఎలా ఎండ్ చేయాలి?
Semicolon.
సెమీకోలన్ తోటి. am I clear? Come on. Hey
Yes, sir.
guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Got it? What I'm saying, understood, right? Okay, now public web driver driver is the reference object. Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
You need to write the code. Driver equal to new, what is the thing? ch ROME, Chrome driver. Same or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now my dear students, please concentrate on it. Okay, ch. Okay, and again you need to use control space. You have to remember Chrome driver, you need to pick it and write it down. This statement, public class Gmail. After that, public web driver you need to round it, this web driver, highlight it. Under that highlight you need to write like this. Make a print screen and write it like this for easy to recognize later onwards. Okay, highlight these words. You need to highlight like this. This is the control space, and here I need to use control space. How you need to write? Control button plus space button. Okay, you need to write like this. Okay. Control button. CTL, please ma, don't talk ma, please ma. Okay, control button plus space button. Space button is nothing but like this. You need to click on these two buttons at the same time. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
For this also the same action. Now while you are writing the first time, when you write like this, it's easy for you. ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కైనా ఈ కామన్ అండి. పబ్లిక్ వెబ్ driver equal to new Chrome driver. Where I need to use control space for web driver, where I need to use Chrome driver. Like that you need to practice on it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Like that you need to do. My dear students, you already know what are the locators are there in Selenium. And after that, write it down. Driver equal to new Chrome driver dot get URL. Which one you need to go with? See here. I am not writing everything, ma. Only I implemented driver. If I implemented dot, automatically it will come. Get URL. First one you need to go with. You need to go with double quotes. Okay. HTTP. Okay, you need to go with HTTP. HTTP. HTTP /gmail.com. Am I clear, my dear students? Like
Yes, sir.
this. Okay, it's created. So what the thing you created? Public web driver equal to new Chrome driver dot get URL. Every statement you use it this blue color of driver. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Biryani
sir.
packet.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what to go with? Yeah, please go ahead. Come on, any question is there? Hey guys, don't enable your mic and speak it out. If you want to go with register, okay, you need to work with the standards of Gmail, right? Let's focus on it. First name. Okay, you need to create. What are the locators are available in Selenium? ID, name,
Name, class, expert.
Class
what
expert.
are the operations we have? If it is a text box, send keys.
Send the keys.
Okay, that all the classes are completed. Now we came to practical session. Here, this is called text box. So what is the operation we are going to use? Send keys.
Send the keys.
The locator value. Right click on it. Inspect element. In this particular inspect element, you need to follow. What's the locator value? Name equal to first name. Am I clear? Or ID equal to first name. I can pick with ID equal to first name. Sudha Pavani, you know right how to pick ID, name, class. Both the teams, you know how to pick the locator value. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay, the same condition you need to go with and write down the code. How you need to write the code? With the reference object. Driver, wait, don't say anything. Driver dot. After that, fi and define. First statement you will go with ma. Find in. You need to write small letters only. By. But what's the locator? ID. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Automatically, first statement it will select ma. Click on it. In double quotes, you need to go with copy pasted word. First name. After that, dot. Send keys. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Like that, you need to write it. In send keys, you need to go with Rama. Okay. So last name, you need to write it. So after that, okay, go to application. Yeah. If I want to go with, okay, username, this is the text box. Send keys is the operation. What is the locator? Locator. ID equal to username. Am I right? Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, instead of taking ID, just assume it. XPath. Okay, ID already we wrote right. Just assume it. Ignore about ID is not there. Go with copy of XPath. Copy XPath. Am I clear? Just assume it and write it down the statement. Driver dot. Okay, what the statement? Sudha Pavani, please say ma. Find element. Once again, my dear students, please focus on it. Driver dot find element. Okay, by default, first option is selected ma. You click on it. Here, don't write with capital letters. You need to go with small letters. System will convert. by dot. What's the locator value?
XPath.
XPath, sir.
XPath. In that XPath, double click on double quotes. You need to copy the XPath, and after that, come out dot send keys. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Here you can go with Ramaraja, Ramaraju, whatever it may be. Send keys. Me tarvata pass చేసుకోండి. Am I clear? What I am going to say? కొన్ని ప్రాక్టికల్ గా వెళ్ళకపోతే సుధా పావని గారికి డౌట్ రావచ్చు. I'm going with practical with my seeking of knowledge. Okay. Am I clear, ma? Like that, you need to develop the script for total register page. Okay. You need to write the code for. Okay. Okay, guys, please come on. You need to develop the script for first name, last name, username, password, confirm password, next button. And after that, you need to write the code for. Come on, my dear students, you need to write the code for
Password.
Sign.
okay, sign in, username, next button, and you need to write the code for login. You need to write the code for logout. That's your homework for you. Am I clear, guys? What I need to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to develop the homework. Don't run the program. Don't run the program. Running tomorrow, I will let you know. Today, what you need to focus? Develop this code and come for the next class. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This is your homework. My dear students, please trust me. In class, you need to write public web driver. And see here. Okay. If you deleted this term, give me a quick minute. See here. Stuck. One more thing very quickly. Configure build path. Add external charts. Yeah, if I removed, I will let you know what happened. My dear students, please understand this terminology. Okay, if Selenium server file, see here, reference libraries, Selenium file deleted means WebDriver, it won't come. Why it won't come? Selenium libraries are placed in Selenium standard and libraries. Selenium server standalone jar file. Once you implemented, right click on it, build path only, it will come. These files are related in here, Selenium server standalone jar file. You try to focus on it. If reference libraries are there or not, you need to check it out. Then you have to write WebDriver. That's the matter. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So many students are confused. Please, ma. Sudha Pavni, go ahead. For project, understood, ma? Sorry, ma. If you are going to create the project means, definitely you need to create every project jar file cover. For packages, if you are creating multiple packages in the same project means not required. Are you understood what I'm going to say? ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే ఇదండి. నేను ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు అంటే కంపల్సరీ రిఫరెన్స్ లైబ్రరీ చేయాలి. ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 100 ఎంత క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు? మీరు ప్యాకేజెస్ 100 క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు.
Yes, sir.
See here, ma. If you are going to create a project means compulsory reference object వేయాలండి. అది separate project కదా. If you are going to create projects means you need to work with different. Got it? Okay, take care, guys. My dear students,
Yes, sir.
I am going to send this particular program to your output. To a chat box. Please proceed with particular program. Got it? Try to complete
Okay,
it. Okay. These import statements మీరు రాసి కాదండి. ఇదిగోండి ప్యాకేజెస్ మీరు రాసి కాదండి. మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి రాయాలండి?
పబ్లిక్ క్లాస్.
ఇది కూడా ఎలా తీసుకోవాలో చెప్పేశాను. మీరు అన్ని రాసి కాదండి. ఎక్కడెక్కడ రాసియో తెలుసుకుని రాయండి. స్క్రిప్ట్ అంతా మీరు డెవలప్ చేయాలి. రేపు ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ మాట్లాడతాం. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Pavani and team, if you are creating project means Selenium server standalone jar file మాత్రమే యాడ్ చేయాలి. Only single time. Okay, another class is waiting, ma.
సార్ ఈ సెషన్ ఫైల్ ని వెంటనే అప్లోడ్ చేశారు సార్.
Yes, I will do it ma immediately. Have a great day.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Skype thing. Already started now. Stop the students. Give me a quick minute. End of March. Hello. Hi team. Good morning everyone. Hello. End of March. Hey, good morning yeah. Please respond. Yeah, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes ma. We'll come back. Ma. Hyse team, are you there?
Yes, sir. We are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Just wait for you. I want to send this particular program to your chat box. Okay. Any doubts from Hyse team? Any one of you? Please let me know. Come on. Come on. Say yes or no. నాకు answers రావాలండి. Yes or no?
No, sir. No, sir.
So if you
No,
have
sir.
any doubt, see here, any one of the student from Hyse team, if you completed the program writing, please copy paste that particular program in WhatsApp group. Along with your mobile number also, please send it ma. Any one of the student, if you struck anywhere, okay, those who completed students will give you the mobile numbers. You just call to that particular student and try to rectify that problem. Don't wait for tomorrow class. Okay, you need to work it. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ మనది అని ఫీల్ అవ్వండి. మీలో ఎవరన్నా ఆగిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ఆగిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ముందు చేసిన వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. సారీ, ముందు చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఆగిపోయిన వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. దోస్ హూ స్టాప్డ్ వైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్, దోస్ హూ డిడ్ రైట్, దోస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ షుడ్ హెల్ప్ టు ద
Yes.
few students or something. I mean, they are not working right. Those who are unable to work right, wherever distract, they need to support to the upcoming student. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please focus on it ma. And each and every student should stand in same page. Nak stabilized order ravalandi. Every student should help to each other. This is the team you need to work it. If you are work with a team in real time, it will go within a smooth order. So try to elaborate your skills within yourself. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఆగిపోయారు అంటే ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ హెల్ప్ చేయాలంట. Am I clear? ఇది మనది
Yes,
అని
sir.
ఫీల్ అయితే సబ్జెక్ట్ బాగా వస్తుంది. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
అంతేగాని రేపటి క్లాస్ చేయకుండా మాత్రం రాకండి. ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ షుడ్ కంప్లీట్ దేర్ హోంవర్క్స్ అండ్ కమ్ టు ద క్లాస్. ఎందుకంటే
Yes, sir.
మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ లాగా ఉండదండి. మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ ప్రతిరోజు అదే పదాలని చెప్పుకుంటూ కొత్త కొత్త టెక్నిక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటే వెళ్తామండి. రేపు ఆటోమేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక్కసారి బేసిక్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి వదిలేశాను అంటే వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు గుద్దించును. ఆల్రెడీ లొకేటర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయిపోయింది, ఆపరేషన్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. నేను వాటిని ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ చేయట్లేదు. అప్పుడు దేన్ని ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాను? ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ స్కిల్ ని ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాను. రేపు అప్కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ స్కిల్స్ ని ఫోకస్ చేయను, లాజిక్ స్కిల్స్ ని ఫోకస్ చేస్తాను. కంప్లీట్ అయిన క్లాస్ ని మీరే నేర్చుకోవాలి. మీరు నేర్చుకోకపోతే మీ ఇష్టం. దట్స్ ఇట్. Hey guys, are you understood what I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Every
sir.
student should practice well. Okay, it's not a manual testing. It's not a manual testing kind of order. It's step-by-step process. One program is related and dependency is there with next program. If you followed with 3 programs, that dependency carried with 10 programs. These 10 programs dependencies carried with 20 programs. These 20 programs dependencies carried with 30 programs. Everything is a dependency order. Every program is a new concept. Every concept is a new. Practice is very, 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 very important. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. I'm going to convey these two particular words in Telugu and English. Try to understand. Got it?
Sir.
Okay. Bye, team.
Sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Good to go, right? Happy learning, ma. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.